sufficient this day and age to read any good news on the newspaper.
Hey guys, Brian here with Dalinghaus Construction. All right, so your kids are working on their schoolwork and then all of a sudden lunch happens, and then trying to get them resituated after lunch is like trying to herd cats.
Herding cats. Don't let anybody tell you it's easy.
It's a train wreck. One piece of advice is don't kill them. Make sure you stay calm yourself, because the minute you get agitated and you play into it is the minute that that scenario is going to go completely sideways, and you're going to take twice as long to get them restructured and put back on the path of being able to actually comprehend what you're saying and not you just blatantly yelling at them. Kids are a pain in the ass, let's be honest. No kid's perfect, mine are far from it. And of course, looking at like how I was as a kid, it was perfectly normal and perfectly like an angel. Ask my mom.
You sit on a throne of lies.
Anyway, getting back to it, they're gonna want to be rambunctious. They're tied up in a house all day. Let them get it out, come back, take an extra half hour so they can get it out where they can actually be functional learning. Otherwise, you're gonna waste that half hour yelling, fighting, screaming, and they're not gonna learn anyways. So be patient, take the extra time to put them in the correct frame of mind as well as yourself before you start with some additional learning and teachings. And that's your educational tip of the day.
You disgust me. How can you live with yourself?